Hello everyone, today I want to show you a Waltham pocket watch model 1891. This watch was not working and I decided to take it apart. As soon as I took the balance of the movement, I realized the problem was not in the mainspring or train wheels because the pallet fork was moving very well. As soon as I touched either side, it just went to one side of the banking pins and back to the other side of the banking pin. I had to release power from the mainspring using Rodico to stop the escape wheel, take the pallet fork out, and then release the power from the mainspring because I honestly didn't know how to do it, and that was the best option. Here, when I put the balance under the microscope, I realized it had no roller jewel whatsoever. So I ordered some roller jewels and then I began measuring, trying, putting this, putting that until I got the perfect one. It is the main plate. I also had to improvise a little bit because I didn't have the correct tool to hold the roller table. So I had to get a pair of tweezers, modify the tips, and as you can see here in the image, improvise a little bit. Here finally I got the jewel mounted on the roller table, and we're gonna see this watch in action one more time. Welcome to life again, Waltham pocket watch. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoy this short video.